What's good, everybody? It is me, C, back again with another video. I am pretty hype for this unboxing and review and first look, if you will. Today is April 23rd, and if you know, you already know. I'm here back with another Nike SB. Thank you to the boss man over at my skate shop. Appreciate you, Jay. Thank you. Without you, this video would not be possible. So I managed to pick up a pair today. I took a big L on the sneakers app on that draw. Fortunately, I don't have my size, but I am happy that I got something. If anyone out there with a size 12, let me know. I'm always looking for a size swap. I'll probably hold on to these until I can find my size. But let's go into it. I got a size 9.5 Nike SB Dunk High Pro QS. QS for the quick strike. This retailed for $120. The color is aquamarine light cream. With it being April 23rd, those of you must know what I'm about to show you. Oh yeah. What we got here is the Nike SB Dunk High. I believe the code name was Maui Wowie. It was put out there to be released as a 420 dunk with the name Maui Wowie. Maui, of course, for Hawaii. You can tell with the flowers there. And the Hawaii themed materials and decorations or patterns on the uppers. But also the Maui Wowie, a strain of that green, that sticky of the icky, that Mary Jane. It hit skate shops between, like, starting on April 20th, and I guess they'll be releasing out up until the 23rd. So let's get a quick look at this. All right, so as you can see, we have that Hawaiian floral pattern on the uppers. Let's get in there. Oh yeah. I don't know what this material would be, but it's like a sail or beige colored netting mesh. Sail, a cream colored outsole, white midsole, tan or self colored laces. We got that netting mesh again on the tongue, as you can see, very soft. This whole shoe is very soft, like canvas material. It comes with the tan laces installed. Very bright neon orange Nike SB tag. And on the inside, I don't know if you can see that, it says Nike SB with an orange insole, again with palm trees and Hawaii themed patterns. Same thing. Let me lift this up some more. Boom. Same thing. Both shoes are completely exactly the same. I don't know if the pattern changes or is slightly altered depending on the pair of shoes. Of course, on each shoe here, the pattern is slightly different. It's not directly mirrored. It's like offset by a few. Same thing, Nike SB. There's not much padding on the tongue here, but I don't think highs have much padding on the tongue. What it comes with is a pair of like maybe forest green or pine green laces, bright orange, and also your cell colored installed. Definitely a very, very dope shoe. Please, whoever out there has a size 12, size swap me. I don't want to pay resale for these. Another pair, you know. So hit your boy up. Holla at me. Let me know what you guys think. Is this a fire shoe? I know Nike SB highs aren't as popular as the lows. Most people aren't a fan favorite. I like them. I definitely feel like when it comes to the highs, there are more material ideas and patterns, and a lot of highs, I feel like there are more creative high top SB dunks compared to the lows. But that's just me. I know a lot of people sleep on highs, but these are a pretty good pair. Let me know what you guys think. Thanks again for following. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Thank you. Jay, for hooking me up with these or set me in a position to get these. I appreciate you. As always, you're responsible for a lot of the SB dunk videos I have, because honestly, without you, I don't think I can get them anywhere else. So thank you again. Peace out. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Deuce, sis. Take it easy, people. Be safe. Later.